Iron Dome works by using radar to detect incoming rockets or artillery shells. When a threat is identified, the system calculates the projectile's trajectory and determines whether it poses a risk to populated areas. If so, it launches interceptor missiles to intercept and destroy the incoming threat midair before it can reach its target on the ground. This rapid response helps protect civilian populations from harm during conflicts or attacks.
Morning, sir.
Morning, Private. Now tell me, what happened to the Iron Dome?
It malfunctioned, sir.
How on earth the Iron Dome malfunction? Sergeant Major Nozi wants an answer. She is mad right now. So, Private, how did this happen?
Allow me, sir.
You're dismissed, Private.
Thank you, sir.
Private,
Yes, sir.
now, has your team found the solution yet?
We are working on it, sir.
We found it, sir.
Now tell us, how do we fix it?
Well,
Thank you, Private.
Thank you, sir.
Iranian missile is moving from the west at 5,000 km per hour, and Iron Dome is moving from the south. When equidistant from the intersection point, the missile and Iron Dome are 180 km apart, and the distance between them is decreasing at the rate of 9,000 km per hour. Can the Iron Dome rocket intercept with the Iranian missile?
First step, we use Pythagoras theorem to find distance x and y. So we do the equation x squared plus y squared equal to z squared. And it is said at the question that x and y is equidistant. So we can let y equal to x. So the equation will be x squared plus x squared equal to z squared. And it will be 2x squared equal to z squared. After that, substitute the value of z, which is 180. And it will be 2x squared equal to 180 squared. And x squared equal to 16,200 over 2, then x equal to 90 sed 2, which is equivalent to 127.279 km. And since y and x is equidistant, so we can conclude that x is 90 sed 2, then y will be 90 sed 2 also.
For the second step, we need to derive equation number 1 using implicit differentiation. So it will be 2x times dx over dt plus 2y times dy over dt equals to 2z times dz over dt. So we need to substitute the value of x, dx over dt, y, z and dz over dt into the equations. So the value of dy over dt will be 7,727.936 km per hour.
From the answer we got earlier, we can conclude that the Iron Dome rocket will reach the intersection point earlier than the missile. So, the Iron Dome rocket will fail to intercept the missile if Iron Dome was launched their rocket at the same time when the radar scanned the existence of the missile.
Next, is it possible for the Iron Dome and missiles to be intercepted? No, but the Iron Dome must delay the rocket launch time so that the rocket can intercept the missiles. But how much time in second must be delayed? So, for the first step is we need to convert the speed of Iron Domes and the Iranian missiles from kilometer per hour to meter per second. The second step is to find the time required for the Iron Dome to reach. We use the formula distance over speed. After we got the time, we need to difference between these two times. The result of the differences is the time that required for the Iron Dome to launch the rocket after the radar scan the existence of Iranian missiles in order to intercept at the right time.